Twister makes a return. Here's the actual 2025 remake of this fan. Does it dual install? This definitely does not need to be here, but I'm gonna put it up anyway, because why not? This thing has not been changed. Not changed at all. Careful I don't get smacked my head into the blades of the Alaska. No changes at all whatsoever since I did this. Since this came down from here back in August. Here's the light. So I'll just leave on because it's honestly works just fine. And they are on separate power cords because I don't have a splitter, like a outlet adapter here. So otherwise I just literally just plugged it in up there to be on with this. Have these both come on with a one cord. But nope, top one into this. This is a Switchmate power. And then the bottom one is the Alaska. Medium. Hi. My stepdad's phone. Wondering what that was. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.